Pinakarespetado sa news and current affairs.
Yeah! Yes, you heard it right. Basta Radyo Ibandera mo. 107.1 FM Radyo Bandera. Hey, good evening everybody. You're with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. We are coming to you live from Casa Gilda Resort, Holy Spirit Village in Tabacuhan, Barangay Santa Rita. That's where the station's at. Alright? Casa Gilda Resort. Oh ha? Saan ka nakakita ng radio station? Nasa resort. Pagkatapos yung pumunta para magpa-advertise, didiretso na lang. Lundag na sa swimming pool. O yan, that's a special offer. Kami lang ang may offer na ganyan ha. Pag nagpa-advertise ka, meron kang pwede kang libreng swimming pool. Lulundag ka. Nasa 4th floor yung station. Pwede kang lumundag from the 4th floor. Bahala ka. Okay, welcome everybody. Hey, how you doing? Isa mo ng Hey. Welcome to the June 3, 2025 edition of this radio show. I can't get enough of the Zamba Mike show that we had. It was a very, very successful show. Yung Zamba Mike hits the brick over the weekend last Sunday, no? Kasama yung yours truly is a member of Zamba Mike. Kasama yung mga kasamahan ko na stand-up comedian, singers, rappers, and poets. Okay? Naku, mga magagaling na mama. So if you need, performances like that sa inyong gig place, pwede, you just let me know, huh? Let me know. And I will let the Zamba Mike guys know. Okay? I'm so happy about it because, it's the first time I got paid for doing stand-up comedy. I've been paid doing, weddings, debut, being a wedding singer, hosting, emceeing, even dancing. I experienced being paid being a dancer dati when I was young. Pero ngayon, last Sunday was the first time that I got paid. First time, that I got paid for doing stand-up comedy, and I was quite emotional dahil parang sabi ko, parang treasure ko to. Unang-una first time, whenever you love doing what you're doing. When you're doing what you love doing the most, parang pag nabayaran ka, lalo na kung first time, you get emotional, no? Parang napaka-sarap sa feeling. Grabe. Mama. Time for me to give you today's holidays and observances. All right, what's going on? Holidays and observances in the famous birthday segment. All right, and this segment being brought to you by Royal Duty Free. And to all dads, Dad, this is for you. Daddy, get your game on and celebrate the ultimate weekend at Royal Shoot Hoops. Shoot hoops, huh? Basketball hoops is what we're talking about here. Earn prizes and feel the love from June 13 to 15, 2025 at Royal Duty Free Shop Stores, Manila Avenue. Yung 13 to 15, yan yung duration, ha? Yung 15 kasi talaga actually ang Tama ba ako? Dad's Day is June 15. Tama ba ako, Ate Giselle? Father's Day, June 15, no? Sunday. Tama? Oh! Yan, alam ni Ate Giselle yan. Isa siyang tatay, Okay. So Royal is also offering 3 times the points to your Royal Privilege Card members. All it takes is a minimum purchase of 4,000 pesos and you'll get triple the points. Wow, see you there. Doesn't matter anong bibili nyo, basta 4,000 pesos worth 3 times the points on your RPC, Royal Privilege Card, RPC exclusive. Ayan, so don't forget, that's Ultimate Weekend, June 13, 14, and 15 at Royal Duty Free Shops, Store 1 and Store 2, the All-Star Dad Basketball Challenge. Celebrate Father's Day with a fun basketball arcade challenge and win exciting prizes. June 15 yon, ha? June 15 yung basketball challenge at Manila Avenue. Okay? Yung Manila Avenue, yun yung store number 2. All right? Along Central Business District area. June 15. 12 noon to 6 p.m. Okay? 12 noon to 6 p.m. Sa loob naman yata ng store kaya hindi ba init kahit na 12 noon siya, 12 noon to 6 p.m. Sunday, June 15 at Royal Duty Free. Okay? On with today's holidays and observances. Do you guys know June 3? Yan, June 3 is World Bicycle Day. Alright. Pero kabi-kabila na yung naging celebration ng World Bicycle Day nung Sunday, June 1, no? June 1 First day of June plus ano pa. At saka Sunday kasi di ba? Yung June 3 kasi it falls on a Tuesday. But actually, World Bicycle Day is June 3. The resolution for World Bicycle Day recognizes the uniqueness, longevity, and versatility of the bicycle, which has been in use for 2 centuries now, and that is a simple, affordable, reliable, clean, and environmentally fit, sustainable means of transport. Ako rin, I love biking. Actually, I bike daily to and from work. Yan. Tapos, aside sa to and from work, from home to Radyo Bandera. Kaya lang pag inaraw-araw mo, sakit sa katawan. Mga ngayaw ka rin. Yeah. Pag inaraw-araw mo. Yeah, World Bicycle Day on June 3. Also, June 3 is Baby Boomers Recognition Day. Ayan, yung mga baby boomers, give them a big hug. Baby boomers probably for ako sa kaedaran ko sa age ko, ang baby boomers, sila yung parents namin. Yan, okay? So they are now in their 70s, 80s, ganyan, 60s, 70s. Tama ba? 70s, 80s, tama. Yeah, okay. Baby boomers. Tapos sumunod yung Gen X. Okay? And Gen Z. All right? Okay? Hindi ko sa ulado. Bahala kayo. June 3 is also, since it's World Bicycle Day, Bike Travel Day. Travel via bike. And today is also Egg Day. Egg. Itlog pare. Itlog. Naalala ko yung Naalala ko tuloy yung... Kasi I'm, aside from being a DJ, I'm also a voice talent. Di ba? Regular ako sa yung SM laging nagpapagawa sa akin ng ng 3-day sale. Kaya yung voicing ko doon very very iconic Kaya lahat ng napupunta sa SM alam na yun. It's the SM 3-day sale. Anong kinalaman ng Egg Day doon? Wala naman. Meron kasi yung pagiging voice talent ko minsan kung saan ko nadadala. One time nasa palengke ako, nagamit ko yung voice talent ko, yung voice over voice ko. Hindi ko naman sinasadya, minsan nadadala mo yan Siyempre, boses mo yan, di ba? So sabi ko dun sa Ale, magkanong itlog mo? Up to 70% off. Sabi nung Ali, Ali, kuya, 70% off. Hindi, lugi. Minsan naman naghanap ako ng kangkong, Ale, magkanong kangkong mo? Walang kangkong kuya, sabi niya. Kangkang meron. Magkano yan? Minsan nag-aaway kami ni Mahal Ayaw buksan yung pinto. Sabi ko, Mahal, buksan mo yung pinto. Hindi na ako uuli. Promise. Sabi ni Mahal, sige, bubuksan ko yung pinto pero 70% lang. Ayun, naisip ko lang kasi Egg Day ngayon. Alam nyo ba ang egg? Dati egg was villainized Ina-associate siya with having high cholesterol, fatty, and hindi pala talaga. Egg is actually a superfood. Think of the logic. Isa, 'di ba yung egg nandoon lahat ng kailangan ng chick para mabuhay, para for it to be brought to life. Lahat nandoon sa egg, 'di ba? So imagine, ano yung nandiyan kung kakainin mo 'yan, 'di ba? Kaya okay. So healthy ang egg. So girls, kumain kayo ng egg. Sorry, girls lang ba? Lahat tayo kumain tayo ng egg. Hindi lang girls. Mapa girls or boys. And anything and everything, everybody else in between. Kain kayo egg. Healthy yan. Healthy talaga ang egg. Totoo yun. Superfood yan It's been declared daw as superfood. Dati kasi na-associate siya lagi with, ham and egg, bacon and egg, pork chop and egg. Hindi naman pala kasalanan ng egg, yung naka-associate lang sa kanya. Today is also Wonder Woman Day. Sino mga big fan ni Wonder Woman? Yan. Wonder Woman. Ang Wonder Woman noon si Linda Carter before Gal Gadot portrayed it na naging napakasikat and iconic when Gal Gadot portrayed it. Pero bago yun, naging iconic din and napakasikat ni Linda Carter. Yan, kilala ng mga yan. Since Baby Boomers Day ngayon, kilala ng mga baby boomer yan, si Linda Carter, ganda babae. Dati napapanood ko ang Wonder Woman dahil sa nanay ko. Yung nanay ko laging nanonood ng Wonder Woman, kaya pati ako napapanood na rin. Ayun, kung ano-ano nakikita ko, iikot siya, tas magiging bago yung suot na, parang nakatanga. Tas makikita ko ang kinis ng balat. Tapos kung ano-ano naiisip ko, kung ano-ano nai-imagine ko. Nay, kasalanan mo yan. Ba't ako naging mahilig manood ng action movie? Yan. Wonder Woman Day, June 3, in case you don't know. Alright, so those are today's holidays and observances. Okay, and then we will be having the famous birthdays next para sa mga nagbe-birthday ngayon.